Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to make goat pepper soup. Stay tuned. Well, I started by introducing the goat meat into the pot, as you can see. Then I followed by adding some dry pepper. I also added some seasoning and I added some onions as well. I also added some curry, followed by thyme. I added my oyayad, then goat meat spice, and I stirred. I wanted to make sure that the goat meat is not stiff in the pot. Then I covered and allowed to boil. Came back again and checked after a few minutes. As you can see, it's boiling. I hope you took note that I never added some water, so I stirred them again to make sure that everything is actually going around. Yeah. And I covered again and allowed it to steam. I checked back again after a few minutes. It was actually worth adding some water, and I did just that. Added some more water. Yeah, to my desired quantity. Then I covered again and allowed to steam. And I checked back after about 5 minutes. It was actually steaming, as you can see. I added some salt. Well, the reason why I didn't add the salt initially was because I didn't want it to make the goat meat stronger. Yeah, I wanted to get soft in time. And I added some water again because the one I added initially actually went down, so we needed some water. And I stirred. That was me stirring my pepper soup. And I covered again and I allowed to steam. Check back again after some few minutes. As you can see, it's steaming. I stirred again, and I was also checking as well if the goat meat are actually getting soft. Okay, because at this time it was soft, so I introduced my fresh pepper, so I could blend with the dried pepper I added initially. I added my scent leaf too, and stirred again.
Cook with Janie where joy meets the plate. From beginner to pro, it's never too late.
As at this point, it's quite obvious that the goat meat are actually soft, so I'm going to allow it to steam again for a while. And I checked back again after some time. As you can see, everything is actually okay. It's looking so good. You can tell that it's almost time to get the deal done. I stirred it and it's actually good to go, as you can see. So I would say it's a done deal. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe. See you in the next video.